Scott again, and today what I'm going to show you is one of the dangers in your house is this hose right here that goes to your dryer. Down there it gets really hot and this hose fills up with lint, and as it gets hot, lint can start on fire really easy. In fact, you can use lint as a helpful fire starter when you go camping, but it doesn't help when this thing is full of lint and gunk. And so I'm going to show you one way to get rid of that and maybe lessen the risk of a fire in your house. Here's the connector that I bought, and it has, I don't know if you can see them, but there's about 6 or 7, maybe 8 little holes facing backwards. So it's going to blow, well, it's going to blow back towards me. And there's one in the end. I'm not sure what that's for, but that blows out this way and the others blow back this way. So as I feed this into the hose, it should blow all of that stuff out. When I bought this, it didn't have this bottom piece on it. I didn't even notice that there was 2 pieces, and I even went around in my different toolboxes to see if I could find a piece like this that would hook on to the other piece. So this was the piece that was on the bottom of it, and this piece down here is a size that I hadn't seen before, and I don't have any quick connects that'll work for it. And so I unscrewed this part and went down to the local hardware store and bought this part down here and screwed it in. So it fit in this quick connect that I already had. I guess you can see that little hole in the end. Yeah, so this will be an interesting attempt. If this doesn't work, I'm going to have to pull the dryer out and disconnect it down there and blow up and out and see if that works. The only thing I'm worried about is that when I hook it up and push it through out there, whether I can make that turn and come down. I may not be able to, but that's what I'm going to try and see how that works. I'm going to turn this on to air and push to start. So here's your typical dryer vent, and you look up there and there's all kinds of lint and junk in there, and probably the hose down there is full and a potential fire hazard. I don't know how, this is probably stuck in there pretty tight, but I just thought that I wanted to get it cleaned out and maybe eliminate that fire hazard. And so that's where I'm going to stick this hose, but I'm not sure that it will go up and over and down. But we're going to try it and see what happens. And the nozzle that I got, it has the holes in it I'm not sure are large enough. It doesn't seem to have a lot of pressure to shoot back out, but we're going to try it and see what happens. Okay, put the hose in. Seems to be working. I also turned on the dryer so it would get extra air coming out to help blow all this gunk out. That seems to be working really well. And be prepared, you're going to be covered in lint and dust. You might want to wear an air mask. Not an air mask, but a face mask. Like it wants to get stuck. And make sure your hose is really has been warmed up, because if it's cold, it's not going to make the little bends it needs to. So this goes over and then straight down, so it needs to make a pretty good 90-degree turn. inside. And if I push too hard, it's going to push the vent hose off of this. This covers up a thing that's going straight back, and then it clamps onto that. So you're going to have to make sure you don't decouple that one. I'm just going back and forth to see if I can really get this stuff loose. Whoa, I've gone through a bunch more. Whoa, that's bad. I've never done this before. Didn't know what to expect. It's definitely helping having the dryer on. So I'm bringing it almost all the way out and then putting it back. I think I've hit the part where it hooks onto the dryer. Clear down in there. Should have measured how far that was. I'm going to twist the hose a little bit too as I'm doing it. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck right here somewhere towards the end. Something's catching. I didn't think I'd have to go inside and unhook it from the end of this, but I may have to just to get this unstuck, get it loose. Yeah, it's funny that it got stuck. I can feel the backward air coming out, so it should be quite close, but it does not want to come around that 90-degree turn. I'm going to go in and get a wrench and see if I can push it in and lift it up on the end. Okay, I'm going to see if I can just put this in there and lift up the end so I can get it up over whatever it's stuck on. And that doesn't seem to work either. Can't get it in far enough. Yeah, I'll send it in one more time. That was the secret. Let's pull it out fast. Little lint right at the opening. Okay. I think it's pretty well cleaned out. I don't know how it is right at the connection to the dryer. Yep, secret is pulled out fast. And I guess it pulls it out so it doesn't catch on the lip. Like I did right there. Yep, that's the secret. Just gotta put it down a ways and pull it up. Okay, so it's blowing one this way and all the others that way. I don't know what this is for. I thought about taking this piece off and putting something right there in the hole so there'd be more air coming this way. I even thought about drilling these holes a little bigger, these holes right there, so that there'd be more air pressure coming this way. So I seem to have done a good job. Turn the dryer on. Make sure you wear a mask, which I didn't. Didn't even think about it. I don't know why I didn't. I knew there was going to be a lot of dust. Anyway, there we go. That's the gunk that came out of it. Quite a bit of stuff. And got all of my shorts. So, clean is clean, or as clean as it's going to get, and I'll have to decide whether I want to take the end off the dryer and try it from that perspective and blow it out straight up the pipe and out. But anyway, that looks like it worked well, and I'll leave some links down below for some of these blowers, this nozzle ends, so you can see if you want to get one, and you'll be able to get them easy. If that helped, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave any comments down below about what else you'd like to see, and we'll see you next time.